Picture an Italian cafe at sunset. Cups clink, voices overlap, and every sentence seems shaped by emphasis, contrast, and emotion. This is where the disjunctive pronouns live. They are not hidden, and they are not attached to verbs. They step forward and say, "This part matters." Let's step into the cafe and meet them properly, starting with clear definitions. Subject pronouns identify who performs the action of the verb. They normally appear before the verb, but in Italian they are often omitted because the verb ending already shows the subject. The Italian subject pronouns are io, tu, lui, lei, noi, voi, and loro. For example, io parlo italiano, tu mangi bene, lei lavora molto. In everyday Italian, these often become parlo italiano, mangi bene, lavora molto. The subject pronoun's job is simple. It tells us who is doing the action. Disjunctive pronouns are pronouns used independently from the verb. They are used after prepositions, on their own as short answers, to add emphasis or contrast, and to express opinions and emotions. In Italian, the disjunctive pronouns are me, te, lui, lei, se, noi, voi, and loro. Unlike subject pronouns, they cannot be the subject of a verb. Their role is not action, but focus. A well-known Italian saying fits perfectly here. Tra il dire e il fare c'è di mezzo il mare. Between saying and doing, there is a sea. And between subject pronouns and disjunctive pronouns, there is intention. Two friends are discussing dinner plans. Chi cucina stasera? Io no. Me, dopo il lavoro, sono distrutta. Here, io would simply state who is not cooking. Using me shifts the focus to Anna herself and adds emotional weight. She's not just answering the question, she's emphasizing her condition. Another friend joins the conversation. Va bene, cucino io, ma per te solo pasta semplice. After a preposition like per, only a disjunctive pronoun is possible. Per tu is never correct in Italian. After prepositions is the most frequent use of disjunctive pronouns. Con me, senza di te, per lui, tra noi, fra loro. Con chi viaggia? Con lei. A common and emotional expression. Senza di te non so stare. Here, te is essential. A subject pronoun would be incorrect. Disjunctive pronouns are also used as standalone answers. Chi vuole il caffè? Me. Using io alone would sound incomplete or unnatural in Italian. And for example, another cafe moment. Chi paga? Lui oggi. The pronoun stands on its own and clearly points to the person involved. Let's place subject pronouns and disjunctive pronouns side by side. Compare. Io vado al cinema. Subject pronoun, it's a neutral statement of who performs the action. Vengo con te. Disjunctive pronoun, required after the preposition con. Lei parla molto. Subject pronoun identifying the speaker. Secondo me, lei parla troppo. It's a disjunctive pronoun used to express a personal opinion. Expressions like secondo me, per me, a me always require disjunctive pronouns. Disjunctive pronouns are often used to create contrast. Io lavoro, ma loro no. With stronger emphasis. Io lavoro, ma loro niente. The disjunctive pronoun isolates the group and reinforces the opposition. A classic expression shows this clearly. O con me o contro di me. Either with me or against me, and only disjunctive pronouns work in this structure. Italian uses disjunctive pronouns to express emphasis, contrast, emotion, objects after prepositions, clear standalone answers. Subject pronouns tell us who performed the action, and disjunctive pronouns tell us who is being highlighted. As Italians say, parla come mangi, speak the way you eat, naturally. If you listen to real Italian conversations, you will hear these pronouns everywhere, shaping rhythm, intention, and meaning. Me, te, lui, lei, se, noi, voi, and loro. They are not background elements, they take center stage. Next time you speak in Italian, ask yourself not only who is acting, but who you want to emphasize. That is when disjunctive pronouns truly come to life. If you found this video interesting, like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next week. Ciao, ciao!